Okay, namaste and good morning. This is me, Niranjan Upreti. In today's class, I am going to teach you Reading Comprehension Unit 1 of Grade 8 English book. Before going to real reading text, so let me have some pre-reading activities, and then I'll go for while reading activities and post-reading as well. So let me ask you some questions before teaching real text. So have you ever visited new places? I think of course yes. You might have visited so many new places for various reasons. So do you like visiting new places? Do you prefer visiting new places? I think of course you might say yes, because visiting new places make us happy. So it energizes us, it refreshes us. So visiting new places, we learn many things. For example, if I visit Pokhara, I will learn its geography, its culture, its way of life, its languages, and so many things. So we can learn so many things when we visit different places, and we can learn and we can enjoy. It means while visiting new places, learning and enjoyment go simultaneously. So now I am going to show you some pictures of some important places of Nepal, and I'll ask you, and you have to identify the pictures. Okay, I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay, have you seen this picture? Okay, can you identify which place is this? Okay, this is Janakpur, and it is famous for religious purpose. So many pilgrims visit this place every year. So I am going to show you the next picture. Okay, so which pictures is this? Can you guess? I think you might have guessed. This is Pashupatinath. And next, okay, so which place is this? So this is Lumbini. Okay, similarly, so this is Gorkha. It is historical importance. Similarly, okay, can you guess which place is this? Yeah, this is Chittor. So you can see elephants there. Okay, this is Naranati royal place. Okay, can you guess which place is this? Okay, this is Muktinath temple. So similarly, this is Rara Lake. And which place is this? This is Pokhara. This is Taj Mahal, and this is Kalegaon. So these are, I have shown you some important places of Nepal, which some of them are of historical importance, and some of them are of religious importance, and some of them are naturally beautiful places. I have shown you, and I hope that you like to visit new places of place, and you might have visited this place as well. So now I think now you have guessed what is the topic today. So today's topic is Ghalegaon. So I am going to teach you that text. Okay, now before teaching the real text, so I would like to pre-teach vocabulary. So there are some vocabularies that you might not know. You might not know the meanings of that vocabulary. So before teaching the real text, so I would like to give you the meanings here one by one. Okay, dear students. So let me show you it in slide. Okay, countryside. So what does countryside mean? Countryside means a rural area, a village area. Okay, similarly, homestay. So what is homestay? Stay at a residence of a local people as a paying guest. So you stay with the local people and you have to pay. So that type of home is called homestay. Similarly, next word for you, picturesque. So what does picturesque mean? Picturesque means charming, beautiful scene. Beautiful scene, very beautiful. Similarly, the next word, exhausted. So exhausted means tired. Exhausted means tired. Okay. Organic food. What does organic food mean? A food produced without use of chemically formulated fertilizers or pesticides. So they are called organic food. Impression. What does impression means? Impression means a feeling that one gets about something or somebody. Inhabitant. What does inhabitant means? A person that lives in a particular place, they are called inhabitant. Resident. For example, we are the inhabitant of Chittagong. Hospitality. So what does hospitality means? Hospitality means the way of treating the guest. How you treat the guest at your home. That is your hospitality. Friendly and generous behavior towards guests. Keen. What does keen mean? Keen means eager, excited, interested. If you are keen, that means you are interested to do something. You are excited. You are eager to do something. That is called keen. Lasting. So lasting means continue for a long time, existing for a long time. If something exists for a long time, if that continues for a long time, that is called lasting. Okay, scenery. What does scenery means? Scenery means view, landscape. Okay, similarly next word, appeal. Appeal means attract. So here appeal means attract. Clustered. Clustered means a group of houses built close together. Similar things that occur together. The house which are grouped together, they are called clustered. In Nepali, it is called jhuruppa pareko. Clustered. Clustered house. Destination. A place where somebody is going. A place where somebody is going, that is called destination. Thrilled. Thrill means overjoyed. Sudden feeling of excitement. Thrill. So these are some of the words that you might encounter while reading the text. Travelogue. What does travelogue means? So in today's class, I am going to teach you a travelogue written by one of the students who has recently visited a new place called Dhalegaon. Okay, what does travelogue means? Travelogue means, so if you visit some new places, then after your visit, if you write about your journey, that is called travelogue. For example, so if I visited Pokhara, then if I write a journey account on my visit to Pokhara, how did I go to Pokhara? So where did I go? With whom I go? If I collected all the information and write an article or write-up, so that is called travelogue. So in Nepali, it is called Yatra Sasmaran. So travelogue written by one of the students like you about Dhalegaon, I am going to teach today. Okay, so now I would like to request all the students who are listening it through radio as well as through YouTube channel, I would like to ask all the students to turn on the page number 2 of your grade 8 English book. So I am going to teach you line by line. Okay, read the following text and note the important information about Dhalegaon, a memorable journey from Trai to the hill. I had heard that Dhalegaon. Dear students who are listening it from radio as well as through YouTube channel, I would like to request all the students to turn page number 2 of your English grade 8. Okay, read the following text and note important information about Ghalegaon, a memorable journey from Tarai to the hill. I had heard that Ghalegaon was really beautiful place for homestay. So the writer had heard that Ghalegaon was really a beautiful place for homestay, and I was keen to go there. The writer was interested to go there. There means Ghalegaon. My luck favored me. Okay, my luck favored me. My parents made a plan to take me to the place for 5 days during my vacation. So during the writer's vacation, so her parents made a plan to take him to that place. As I was born in Birganj, I had never seen hilly region before. So as the writer was born in Birganj, she had never seen the hilly region before. My first visit to Ghalegaon made a lasting impression on me. So my visit to Ghalegaon made me a lasting impression on me. So I still remember my visit to Ghalegaon. I reached there passing many hills through green countryside. The beautiful scenery on the way appealed to me. The beautiful scenery on the way appealed to me. That means attracted to me. It still flashes in my memory. The memory of my visit to Ghalegaon was still in my memory. It still flashes in my memory. After spending a night at a hotel in Besishar, there is a small town Besishar. So the writer spent a night at a hotel in Besishar. Early next morning, we started our journey on foot. Early next morning, they started their journey on foot. I felt it difficult to walk the hills. My father immediately realized it. We broke our journey in Bagulpani. So they broke their journey in Bagulpani. He told us to have a rest at Chautara. He took out a bottle of cold drink from his bag. We drank it. So they had a rest at the Chautara and they drank a bottle of cold drink. Are you enjoying the scenery? My mother asked me. So the writer's mother asked her, are you enjoying the scenery? Isn't it an exciting experience to see such a picturesque village? My father pointed to the village with clustered house. With a clustered house. My father, that means the writer's father, pointed to the village with clustered houses and asked me, isn't it an exciting experience to see such a picturesque village, beautiful village, charming village? I looked at the village where my father had pointed. I couldn't help saying yes. Yes, I couldn't help saying yes. It means the village was so beautiful. That picturesque scenery thrilled me, overjoyed me. That means that picturesque scenery overjoyed the writer. I forget all the tiredness. So he had forgotten all the tide he had felt before. Mommy, I am ready to move ahead. I am not exhausted. Let's go. I got up and walked towards the place. As we were walking, we got lost. That means they were lost while they were going to Ghalegaon. As we were walking, we got lost. So my father asked a stranger. So they made a stranger. Excuse me, I wonder if you could tell me the way to Ghalegaon. The man greeted my father and said, I am also going there. That means that man was also going there. If you like, I will guide you to get there. I will show you the way. That man helped the writer's family. Thank you, my mother replied. The man said, the place with clustered house, the group house, is Ghalegaon. It is located. Situated means located, avasthit. It is situated at the northwest of Besishar in Lomjung. It takes about a 5-hour walk to reach there on foot from Besishar. That means you can, if you walk to Golegaon from Besisor, it takes 5 hours walk. We can get there by bus too. People who cannot walk can take a bus to go there. Almost all the inhabitants, residents of Golegaon are Gabri groups. This means there are 2 ways to go to Golegaon from Besisor. So if you can walk, you can have a trek to Golegaon. It takes about 5 hours, and if you want to go by bus, there is a bus facility as well. So we enjoy the journey with that man very much. After about 5-hour walk, we reached our destination. That means the writer's family reached their destination, and their destination is Golegaon. So why are they taking marigold garland with tika? I asked my mother. The writer asked her mother why the people of Golegaon are taking marigold with tika. This is how they welcome their guests. My mother replied. That means the people of Golegaon, the residents of Golegaon, welcome their guests with marigold garland with tika. We were treated with proper hospitality. We were served with fresh and delicious organic food. We ate dal bhat, tarkari, achar with the Gurung family. We were paying guests there. That we are guests, but we have to pay. They performed their cultural dances. Mainly, we observed Gantu dance, Krishna Charitra, Jhakri dance, and Lama dance. They observed so many cultural dances there. In the end, we observed some typical roundhouses there. We also looked at the Annapurna Himalayan range from the village. Thus, we spent 5 days in a homely environment in Lamjung and returned home. So, in this way, the writer visited Golegaon. Okay, there are some exercises. So, ways with words. Fill in the gaps with correct words from the list below. So, there are some words: countryside, homestay, picturesque, exhaustive, organic, cultural dances, and you have to fill the correct words in the correct gaps. So this is on page number 4. So if you are listening it from radio, you can turn your page on page number 4, ways with words. So number A, we can live with the Gurung family in and learn their culture. So what might be the answer there? We can live with the Gurung family in a homestay and learn their culture. So number B, we can stay a night in this village. It reminds us of our culture. So what might be the answer? We can stay a night in this picturesque village. It reminds us of our culture. So similarly, you must see, foods are produced without using chemicals. Foods are produced without using chemicals. So what might be the answer? Obviously, organic. Organic foods are produced without using chemicals. During the school vacation, many city people like to visit the countryside. Gantu dance, Krishna Charitra, Jhakri dance, and Lama dance are the common cultural dances of the Gurung families in Golegaon. I was exhausted from the day's continuous walk. So now there are question number 2, and there are others exercises. And I would like to request all the students to do the remaining exercises at your home, and when the school resume, you have to show your respective teacher. Thank you.